Hello everyone, I'm Ronald Mehta and welcome back to our channel digiate.com. We are your digital aid and we provide free courses on the subjects of business and marketing.
Let's start with the phenomenon of unboxing your product. Unboxing is a process of removing or unloading items from their packaging, particularly complex goods. These items will be mostly described and exhibited during the process. Unboxing videos are then made and uploaded to the internet. As stated by Walter Isaacson from Apple's packaging unit, Steve Jobs and I spent a lot of time on the packaging. I love the process of unpacking something. We design a ritual of unpacking to make the product feel special. Packaging can be theatre, it can create a story. And this we have witnessed in most of the Apple products unpackaging. Moving on, Isaacson is one of the famous YouTubers who specializes in unboxing Apple products. But did you know the phenomenon of unboxing can be traced back to 2006? Yahoo traced back its first unboxing video to 2006 for the Nokia E61 cell phone. By the end of 2006, searches for unboxing began to emerge, says Google Trends. Moving on to the top 15 unboxing YouTube channels, such as Ryan Toys Review, Unbox Therapy, Fun Toys Collector Disney Toys Review, Marcus Brownlee, Dope Nope, Isaacson as we just discussed, Austin Evans, Jonathan Morrison, Kids Toys, and Geeky Ranjit. Moving on to an example of kids unboxing. Since the main target of toy channels are kids, videos are shot with happy narration, quick cuts, and bright colors. Unboxing videos for kids have a faithful set of fan following all over the world. Kids hosts tend to accidentally get in the field when videos of them are uploaded by parents while unboxing their toys. And one case study is of Ryan Kaji. At the age of 8, he made around $26 million through his YouTube channel in 2019, all through unboxing products. In fact, Ryan Kaji has his own set of private label toy brands. Moving on to why should you use unboxing for marketing? Unboxing videos are recorded displays of you opening your product for the first time. Unboxing videos are highly liked on YouTube. Unboxing used to be famous on high-tech or fashion products. There's a lot of competition among folks over who can unbox gaming consoles or iPhones. Unboxing of other items such as premium goods, food, beauty products, toys, outdoor gear, and so on is highly popular. In fact, the growing popularity of unboxing is aided by the developing e-commerce industry. These firms are popular, according to some people, because they allow consumers to view the actual features of items rather than altered versions presented by marketers. A client's decision-making process can be aided if he or she knows what he or she will receive. In these unboxing videos, themes and special effects are aided to make them more engaging. As you can see on the left, there's an unboxing of a waterproof smartphone underwater to ensure that the feature is authentic. Moving on to how does unboxing ultimately help your brand? First, it helps recite the brand story. Brand unboxing is an amazing chance to express yourself as a brand. This chance must be taken advantage of as much as possible. In addition to creating a good image for the brand's product, brand unboxing also helps narrate its story. Your story is a vital part of your success since it gives consumers a reason to choose you over your competitors. Next, it provides a chance to create a buzz. Unboxing goes really well together with social media. It is now a separate genre with huge number of followers on sites like YouTube. Channels that dedicate themselves to unboxing content get millions of views, and this really helps your brand before a launch. Next, compelling in nature. Unboxers take advantage of our innocent enthusiasm for new and shiny things. In addition to that, purchasers acquire a better idea of the actual items and what to anticipate from them. At the end of the video, the viewer has a better understanding of the product or the brand. Next, ensures genuine reviews. In addition to an optimized buying process, detailed experiences and explanatory information contribute to the product's value. The high-value exchange unintentionally improves the product's connection with customers. Viewers are in a better position to comment on the authenticity of the product. And finally, some tips for you to create an engaging unboxing video. First, choose a slot to do an unboxing. Ensure you have a proper setup for unboxing your products, proper lighting, proper table, camera, placement, etc. Make sure that your unboxing is well timed. Additionally, you need to be well trained for speaking clearly and softly so that you can engage your customers better. Always use the product and show it to a target audience because this is why they come on your channel for. And finally, never postpone the unboxing process in the video because consumers might lose interest in the video. So that's it, folks. This brings an end to the topic on unboxing. These are the list of sources and links referred to for our content in the video. Thank you and stay tuned for more videos.